Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. So there are some important update and news for CMA student who are appearing for June 2021 exams. So guys, most of the student are worried about whether June 21 exams will be offline or online manner. So guys, recently Balvinder sir has taken a session and clarified that as you know that earlier I have also said that June 2021 exam will be or after that also will be taken by as online manner. Okay, and yes, it will as same as earlier in Jan 2021. Okay, home based or center based, but institute has strict more focus on removing the malpractices. Okay, so June 21 exam will be taken as online manner. Okay. So second update is when result will come out. Okay. So 10th March to 13th March exam will be your result will be come out. Okay. So do not worry. 10th or 13th March is nearby. Okay. And the important information the every CMA inter student want to know about SAP training. Okay, guys. So as you know that 11th August 2020, those student registered need to go under SAP training. Okay, for most of the student earlier student want also under the SAP training. So guys, as you know that different chapters like EIRC, WIRC has already started the 100-hour computer training for old student. So it is my humble request. Yes, institute will soon provide the notification for old student will also get the SAP training with a nominal payment. Okay, but I will request you that if it is possible, you will take the SAP training, then it is 100% beneficial. But try to complete your 100 training as soon as possible because guys, June 2021 exams are nearby. You have more focus on your clearing the exams. These kind of SAP training you will also get when you entered into the organization. Lot of organization follow different SAP. Okay, hope you understand these 3 points. Okay, and most of the student want to know about when institute will upload the Jan 2021 exam so that they will get the pattern of exams. So for pattern of exams you can follow mock test paper or mock paper available on institute site. Okay, and yes, after result within some days institute will upload the Jan 2021 with suggested answers. Okay, so hope you also get the answers. And what about the, as you know that in recent budget government has withdrawn the GST audit. Okay, so as you know that our institute, our CMA institute as well as CS institute and CA institute also discuss about with the finance ministry so that they can take back their decisions. So institute also taking the initiatives. Okay, and about the income tax audit, so for many last years institute is working on it, and yes, soon we will get the informations. Okay, apart from this, most of the student are want to know the new syllabus. So June 2022 institute will surely release the new pattern of new syllabus 2020. Okay, and as you know that guys, still the effect of pandemic coronavirus is still exists. Lot of final student who want to take training 15-month or 16-month as respectively applicable for those student. Okay, so a lot of many student didn't find any opportunity. So yes guys, as per my personal opinion, yes, institute will provide exemption for June 2021 exams, not for December 2021 but June 2021 institute will provide the exemption. Okay guys, so hope you understand. And the last point is regarding the name changing. As you know that institute is working on it, on the company law or many other act or law. Institute name is recognized as ICAI, the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. Okay, institute proposed to the finance ministry to rename as Institute of Cost and Management Accountant of India. So hope this will also implemented and good news come for the CMA fraternity. Okay guys, hope you understand these points. After watching this video, you have any doubt you can ask me, and that's all about this in this video. So guys, for June 2021 exams, now you have been clarified. Online exam will take place. Go to the mock test paper and just focus on your study. So guys, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.